All right, good morning. This is week 4. It's going to be my shoulder day. I have my 10 eggs and 3 pieces of pound cake and water. I think it's going to be my last week having pound cake. I'm just going to switch to a white bread. You know, I kind of want to lower my sugar intake. So yeah, week 4, shoulder day. Week 4 is almost done. Can you believe it? Weigh in 2 more days. Okay, good morning. Shake time, shake already blended. You know, just keeping myself accountable. Ball number 1. It's kind of thick. Ball number 2. I haven't had shake in about 3 days, maybe. When I'm going to work. All right, that is my shake for today. Today is going to be my shoulder day. Okay, welcome back. It is our shoulder day, and Nikus is kicking it off with the dumbbell rear delt flies, keeping the weights real light. What are you doing? You gotta grab 10s. Seems so lost. This is the 4th set. Third set. Okay, last exercise is a seated shoulder press. We're gonna superset this. Right? 10 or 25. And it's gonna do, let's raise it. Okay, my last set. You want to do one set of abs? Yeah, planks, real quick. All right. It's our shoulder day. Came even though I was exhausted, tired, I wanted to sleep. Did a quick shoulders. We're gonna end it with some abs. I went to Tahini's and I had a meal after work, right before I came to the gym. So probably just gonna have like a few oranges because I'm definitely over my calorie budget for today. I don't know if I'll make a last meal video, but yeah.